What's up everyone and welcome to today's video. My name of course is Eric. So if you don't know, my current drone is the DJI Phantom 3 Standard Edition. A fantastic drone that I got for a really cheap price of 380 bucks. It has been an excellent drone. However, I'm getting rid of it. And here's why. So why am I getting rid of this drone? Well, first let's address image quality. So this shoots at 2.7K. That's not as good as a 4K resolution, but 2.7K is perfectly fine for what I'm doing right now, but hence the word right now. It's not very future-proof. So even though the resolution isn't a deal breaker for me right now, it still is something to consider. However, let's talk about the form factor and design. So all the Phantom drones are kind of big, bulky drones. They don't fold up, so if I want to travel with them, I need to pack an extra bag just to fit the DJI Phantom 3 standard. Or if I'm going hiking, I'm strapping this on to like the back of my bag, and then it's just kind of carelessly flopping around, and that's not fun to travel with. Not only is the drone bulky, but the controller is relatively bulky as well. So it just takes up way too much space in my backpack, in my camera bag, whatever I'm traveling with. Now, what about ease of use? So in all reality, this drone is relatively easy to set up, easy to fly. The only nuisance is when you have to recalibrate the GPS or compass if you change locations, but you can get this thing running in about 5 minutes or so, depending on your scenario. However, those 5 minutes are valuable. What I don't like about this drone is I have to take off the propellers every time I travel with it. So I have to carry spare propellers, I have to take time to screw them on, make sure they're firmly in there so they're not gonna fly off. And although that's not a huge problem, it's still just an extra step that I'd rather not take. The final category I want to talk about is the technology in the drone. So the Phantom 3 standard is several years old. It doesn't have all the technology that the newer drones have. So it does have GPS to lock in its location to stay where it's at when hovering. However, it doesn't have any sensors to prevent it from crashing into a tree, into a wall, into a person. And I think these sensors are something that shouldn't be overlooked. No, you should not fully rely on any sensors in any sort of drone, but having these additional sensors to help prevent it from crashing into something is something very important when flying commercially. Because if you fly into someone, if you hurt someone, break something, that could be the end of your business. And you do not want to have a fatal drone crash be the root of your business failure. So having additional sensors could help you that much more in being safe so you never have to file those insurance claims. So just to reiterate on why I'm getting rid of the Phantom 3 standard, it doesn't really have to do with the image quality of the camera, though 4K is a bonus, but I need something smaller, easy to carry around, better ease of use, and I need something with better technology for better safety features to prevent it from crashing into things when I start flying commercially. So guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave that in the comment section below. And if you're curious, what drone am I going to be replacing the Phantom 3 with? Keep watching and eventually you'll see what I do buy. So guys, that's the video. I'm Eric and I'll catch you in the next one.